Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to make and edit silver and gold foil business card mockup. Copy Smart Object Layer. Rename Smart Object Layer. Double-click on Front Link Layer. Copy your business card artwork. Paste artwork on link layer. Save link file. Artwork automatically placed. Double-click on backlink layer. Copy your business card artwork. Paste artwork on link layer. Save link file. Artwork automatically placed. Copy silver foil. Transform foil layer and place perspectively. Back and front panel. Copy gold foil. Transform foil layer and place perspectively. Back and front panel. Your mockup is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.